Inspired by the exploration of hackers and the creations at Maker Labs. Meet the M1, your all-in-one tech companion. A monster tool in compact form. Imagine a world where you no longer need to fumble around with multiple remotes. With the M1's infrared capabilities, all your remotes are under one universal controller, preloaded with a library of commonly used remote commands. Functions like volume adjustment or temperature control are always at your fingertips. Read and store NFC cards and tags. Scan and clone RFID cards and fobs. Analyze signals, open gates, doors, and boom barriers. Featuring onboard Wi-Fi. Also, deploy your own payloads and scripts. That's a bad USB. Use GPIO pins to interface with hardware. Transfer data seamlessly between your M1 and computer. Interact with devices and even extend functions with modules. The M1 by Monster Tech. It's a tool for today, built for tomorrow.